moment you pop the lid on a bagless vacuum and that gray mushroom cloud of dust hits your face, you realize you've made a massive mistake. Your eyes start itching. Your nose starts running. It feels like you're just moving the dirt from the floor into your lungs. This is exactly why people are flocking back to old-school bag systems. This specific canister vacuum from a brand that has been around for over a century is causing a massive stir lately. It has over 13,000 reviews online. That is a staggering number for a piece of cleaning equipment. People are obsessed with it because it actually solves the allergy problem. It uses a dual motor system that doesn't just skim the surface of your rugs. It reaches deep into the fibers to yank out pet hair and dander that has been hiding there for months. The suction is incredibly powerful. We are talking about the kind of pull that makes you feel like you are actually getting the job done right the first time. The filtration is the real star of the show here. It uses a triple layer system designed to trap nearly every single microscopic particle that passes through it. If you suffer from seasonal allergies or you have a golden retriever that sheds like it's a full-time job, this is a game changer. When the bag is full, you just pull it out and toss it. There is no dust cloud. There is no sneezing over the kitchen trash can. It is clean and it is final. Of course, this kind of performance comes with a specific set of trade-offs. You have to buy replacement bags. They aren't expensive if you buy them in bulk. But it is a recurring cost you need to remember. You also have to watch the suction levels. As the bag fills up, the air has a harder time moving through. You will notice a drop in performance if you try to stretch one bag for too long. Swapping in a fresh bag makes it feel like a brand new machine every single time. Then there's the physical handling. This thing weighs less than 20 pounds. It has swivel steering, which makes it feel very nimble on hard floors. However, a good chunk of people have mentioned that it can be a bit clumsy. If you try to whip it around a corner too fast, it might tip over or snag on the edge of a rug. It takes a little bit of practice to get used to the way it follows you. It is not like an upright where everything is in one piece, right in front of you. You are essentially towing a powerful engine behind you. You have to be mindful of where the canister is at all times. But honestly, when you look at the track record of this company, it is hard to complain. People talk about their older models lasting 20 or 30 years. That kind of longevity is almost unheard of in our modern world of disposable tech. Spending a few $100s on a vacuum feels a lot better when you know it might still be running a decade from now. It is built for a very specific type of person. If you want the convenience of never buying a bag again, this will frustrate you. But if you want a home that feels truly clean and air, that doesn't make you sneeze, this legacy brand is still the king of the mountain. You are paying for a history of reliability. You are paying for the peace of mind that comes with a sealed system. It is a solid, heavy-duty tool for someone who takes floor care seriously. You just have to be willing to do the maintenance. Keep those bags stocked up. Watch your corners when you turn. If you can handle those two small things, your carpets will thank you for years to come. It is about finding that balance between old-fashioned durability and modern filtration tech. This machine hits that sweet spot perfectly. It is not just about cleaning the floor. It is about the air you breathe and the health of your home. Taking that extra step to use a bagged system might feel like a step backward to some, but for anyone with a sensitive nose, it is the only way forward.